What's up, folks? How in the world do you get approved for a business loan with bad credit? Now, I know there's a lot of videos out here, but this video, I'm going to break down some tips that you can take and some things that you need to think about if you have bad credit and you are saying, man, I really need a business loan. I got a good idea. The only thing that's holding me back, Richard, is I need a source to get me the money. Well, if that's you, keep paying attention to the video and I'm going to share exactly what you need to do. So number one, before we get started, my name is Richard Dane. I've helped over 11,000 companies build their business, grow their business. And if you like this video, I'm asking you if you could subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I drop a new video about credit, hustle, and financing. I'm going to do a lot more videos on the hustle side as well, like how about side hustles and all of that. But right now, how do you get a business loan when you have bad credit? Okay, if you stick around to the end, I also got a bonus for you. So let's dive into the video. All right, number one, understanding that bad credit and its impact. Let's talk about that. What is bad credit and the impact? Well, bad credit can make it difficult for you to secure traditional business loans from banks and credit unions. Lenders view poor credit as high risk, which often leads to loan denials and unfavorable terms, right? We already know that. But however, there are alternative lenders that are available to entrepreneurs because this is not like the personal world. In the business worlds, there are separate rules and you get more access. So number two, alternative lending. These are online lenders, also what we call fintech lenders or marketplace lenders, and they have become so popular for businesses with bad credit. These lenders, like alternative lenders, they use other things to assess risk, not just your credit score. So they'll use your income or they'll use a variety of different things. And you got to watch some of my other videos, but they will give you money. So let's name a couple. Fundbox, they'll give you up to $150,000. Cabbage, they'll give you up to $250,000 with credit scores as low as 560. Okay. On deck, they offer term loans. They offer line of credits for businesses that with credit scores as low as 600. Okay. Number three, invoice financing. Invoice financing is also known as account receivables, allowing business to borrow money against their outstanding invoices. This can be an excellent option for businesses with bad credit and may not be the best credit worthy customer. But if you have invoices from reputable companies that you're working for, then guess what? You can get financing off of those invoices. Bluevine is another one that you can take a look. Fundbox is another one that you can take a look, which I've mentioned, but they have lines of credit as well. So Bluevine, Fundbox, Riverdale Finance, they offer invoice financing for businesses with credit score as low as 500. Yes, 500. Okay, so you can get it. Number four, equipment financing. A lot of people don't think about this, but if you have equipment financing is a way to purchase equipment, machinery. If you got something laying around that would be an asset, you can borrow against that. But equipment financing work with you because they are using the equipment as a way to secure the loan. So it makes it a whole lot easier. I'm gonna link all of these in the bio, but Equipment Share is another one. They provide equipment financing for businesses with credit score as low as 600. Okay, offering equipment financing with flexible terms. Number five, a merchant cash advance. Now, a merchant cash advance, these types of finances is where a business receive upfront lump sum cash in your bank in exchange for a percentage of your future credit card sale. So if you, let's say you have transactions and you have, 30,000 in transactions through your credit card, you can get a merchant cash advance and they'll give you $15,000, $20,000 based on that future credit card. You got Flora Financial, you got Credibility, which provides merchant cash advances to people with credit score as low as 500. You got Everest Business Funding. They also offer merchant cash advances. All of this is going to be in the link below. And then also Number six, improving your chances. While bad credit makes it really bad to secure financing, there are steps that you can take to improve your options, right? So number seven, what is that step? Building business credit. Because when you build business credit, then also the banks or the lenders are going to also look at the business credit. And then in some cases, you don't even have to provide a personal guarantee or your credit score. Number eight, provide collateral. You know that you can get a business loan against your home. Now, people say, I don't want to do it, but if you believe in the business, hey, why not do it? Number six, demonstrate that you have consistent revenue. So that's why I tell people separate your business from your personal, because when they see the business has consistent revenue, you can get a revenue based loan. So if your business is doing 15,000 a month, hey, guess what? You can go and say, hey, I want to borrow 10,000, dollars or whatnot, and they will give it to you regardless of your credit history. Number 11, consider a cosigner. If you have someone in your family or a friend or whatever, consider a cosigner. And what will happen is that'll strengthen the loan, but you can still put it in the business name. It's some real detailed stuff about that. Go follow my channel to find out some things about that. Myths and concepts. Let's go over that. One myth, bad credit means that there are no financing options. That is not true. With alternative lending, you can get finance. Okay. So now let's talk about some of the common myths. One of them is personal credit does not matter for business loans. Many lenders, I'm telling you, especially traditional banks and credit unions, will consider both your personal and your business credit. And with all of the help with fixing, credit out here, it's no reason why you should have bad credit. Contact me if you do. Okay. Merchant cash advances. One myth is that they that they're just gonna just take over your money and all of that, and it makes it better. But merchant cash advances can really be good for certain situations, but you got to watch them because they will get into your bank account. One other myth is building business credit is hard. If I can show you how to build business credit on autopilot, many people don't talk about this, but there's a way you can do it on autopilot. They save it for their expensive program. But the final thought is, while you might have bad credit, making payments or being able to get a business loan is not far out of reach. I'm telling you, this is something that I and my team help people do every single day. So if you look in the link below, first of all, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, share the video with someone. But in the notes below, I put a link to some of these people that will work with individuals with bad credit. Most of them, they're not going to require you to have tax returns. They're not going to require you, depending on your situation, they won't even require you to provide bank statements and all of these different things. There's what we call no doc loans, meaning you don't give them any documentation and you get money. There's a lot of ways to get money, but I believe what happens is most people get stuck watching YouTube video after YouTube video. Listen, if you need help getting approved, comment below more info or reach out to me, find me, DM me or email me, and I will help you. I'll help you come up with the plan. I'll help you put together something. And when I say I'm talking about me as well as my team. It's just not me. I couldn't do all of this by myself. I'm just doing this YouTube channel as a way to educate people and let people know, hey, there's ways in which you can get it done. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Like, love, share, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side. On the other side. On the other side, meaning from bad credit to good credit to can finance whatever you want and have money on demand. Keep following the channel. God bless.